Hi everybody. We're right here celebrating Vilma's birthday. That's not Vilma. She's not Vilma. Wait. We're waiting for the birthday girl. And here they come.
That's Vilma.
One of them too is Vilma. Hi Jamie.
Hi.
Hi. And this is me, Kevin. Hi.
Today's her birthday.
Look, today she is the birthday girl. Hi Vilma. Say hi.
And let's say happy
Say
birthday.
I'm the birthday girl.
What?
I'm the birthday girl.
I'm the birthday girl.
Yeah, we love her.
Come on,
This is the ugly Ashley. Hi. Let's go celebrate her birthday.
Celebrate good times. Come on. Get her.
I'll join the group too.
Celebrate good times. Come on.
Hi Vilma. I can't see you. I cannot see you. Wait. Oh, the camera.
Let's say happy birthday to her.
Okay, you three could keep on looking like a bunch of idiot turkeys. I'll stay quiet. I'll stay calm right here. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Vilma. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, let's go before the pressure catches us here.
Okay, bye. Say bye, Jamie.
Bye.
Vilma, say bye. Happy birthday, girl. And bye. We don't love you.
Love you all. Bye.